Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Spotify username. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Spotify application. Now you'll be appear with the home page of Spotify. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the top left corner. So let me tell you guys that Spotify does not allow you to change your username. Once you tap on your profile, you can see settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on account. Once you tap on it, you can see the option called username. So let me tell you guys that you cannot change your username on Spotify because it is uniquely different for everyone. So you cannot change your username on your Spotify. You can instead change your name then changing your username. So that's all guys, this is the only working method to change your Spotify username. You just cannot change your Spotify username, it is given by Spotify. So that's all guys, I hope you found the video to be informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.